How to start a successful YouTube automation channel in 2023. Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys exactly the complete process on how you can get started making your own YouTube automation channel. This method is going to be completely beginner friendly and you guys don't need any investment whatsoever other than to pay your team, and that's it. So all that you guys need to do is simply follow this video step by step till the very end and not skip anything, and you will know everything about the whole process of creating your own YouTube automation channel and also making sure it makes money for you guys as well. So without further ado, let's jump into step number one. Step number one. So in step number one, I want you guys to firstly evaluate the following stuff. So I'm gonna open up a Google document right now and I'll explain the common terms step by step so that you understand what I'm talking about when we are gonna proceed further in the video. So first of all, what niche are you going to be going with? That is the most common question that almost every single person who is about to start in their automation journey has. So coming over here, we have many different niches. We have the celebrity niche. We have the search-based channel niche. Then we also have the top 10 niche. We have the AI niche, which is really popping nowadays, by the way. And then of course, we have other niches as well, which are like the unique niches of YouTube. For example, we have a niche where we have a person who makes funny content, memes, Discord stuff. So like those are all extra niches, but the main niches which are used in the YouTube automation niche most commonly are the celebrity niche, the search-based niche, the top 10 niche, or the AI niche. Now in the celebrity niche, you can also include many different businessmen as well, but I'm gonna count them as celebrities for the sake of this video. So what happens in the celebrity niche? In the celebrity niche, you basically make videos about a person who is a celebrity. That can be Michael Jackson, that can be literally anyone who is famous. The point of that particular video is to garner attention from the fans of that particular celebrity and basically get them to watch that particular video. Now, how do you do that? You do that by having a really captivating thumbnail, by having a highly engaging video, by having a very nice sound design. So all of these things combined can really make your video pop out a lot. Now at number 2, we have the search-based niche. The search-based niche is by far the hardest niche to conquer in the YouTube space. Why? Because in the search-based niche, you have to be really patient. In the search-based niche, you have channels that make videos about certain topics, and those topics can. So basically, people make videos in the search-based niche about different topics like how-to topics, tutorial topics, beginners topics. So basically, all the videos that you guys see online on YouTube, which are like how to do this on YouTube, how to do that on your phone, how to go live on TikTok, how to do anything, all of those videos are automation videos, and they typically take longer to rank, but once they're ranked, they can really seem to be an evergreen source of income for you guys because the graph keeps on going up and you keep on making money every single day, all on autopilot. It doesn't have to be trendy, it doesn't have to have the best of editing. As long as it solves a problem, you guys are gonna have those views coming in. Then you have the top 10 niche. The top 10 niche is basically the niche that you guys see online, which are like top 10 things that you didn't know about Jeff Bezos, top 10 things that you didn't know about Elon Musk. So all of those videos are in the top 10 niche. Now, what's so great about the top 10 niche? What's so great about the top 10 niche is that it is by far the most fun niche to watch videos in, and then of course it's harder to rank in this particular niche as well because it is highly saturated, because we have so many people making top 10 videos that it's almost impossible to rank in this particular niche. Then you have the AI niche as well. In the AI niche nowadays, it's pretty easy to rank because people haven't made exactly as many videos as they've made in the top 10 niche or the search-based niche or the celebrity niche. So of course it's easier to rank, but the production cost is going to be higher because you really need really good editing in order to stand out in this particular niche. Now, what are the main things that you have to keep in mind when you're looking to build a team? Number one is that you need to have a script writer. A script writer is a person who is going to basically writing down all of the things that you guys need in order to make your video really pop. That's going to include the content, that's going to include any relevant screenshots or pictures that need to be included in the video. So all of that is going to be provided by the script writer, but not all the content for the whole video, just the parts where it's necessary for him to bring his input in. Then below that, you have your voiceover artist. Now, of course, as the name suggests, a voiceover artist basically has to make sure that the voiceover on your channel sounds absolutely engaging, because if the voiceover is going to be engaging, then and only then are you going to be able to have a really good video that is going to help you guys get high watch time. Then you have your video editor. Now, Now, I recommend spending the most on this particular part, because if you spend the most on this particular part, you guys are going to have a very high chance of ranking, because your video is going to have really good editing, and hence why it might rank super fast. Then of course at the end you have your thumbnail, and of course the video editing and the thumbnail, both of these things are absolutely important. And if you were to save money on any of these two things, then your channel might suffer in the long run. So I always recommend putting your money in these particular sections as much as you can. And then after that, you just have to basically make sure a person who does SEO optimization is present for your channel. But this is not that important, because nowadays SEO optimization is just basically finding the right keywords and then making videos on that. You don't need anything else like hashtags or anything like that. So now we're going to start finding the right people for these particular niches. I'm going to show you how you can find a person on Fiverr for these particular niches. It's going to be very easy, so follow along step by step, and I'll show you exactly what things to look out for and what things to not look out for. So let's jump into Fiverr. So coming over in Fiverr, as soon as you guys come onto fiverr.com, you guys are going to see this particular web page. Now over here, I want you to type in script writer. So as soon as you guys type in script writer, after that you guys are going to see relevant terms at the search suggestions. So over here, just simply click on script writing, and then afterwards you guys are going to see many different options come up. So now from over here, what I want you guys to do is that just simply click on across, and of course if you want to order, you will have to create an account, but for now I'm going to skip that part. So over here, just simply look at all the sellers. So over here we have this person who is saying that he can write an explainer video. So now from over here, let's take a look at all the options we have. So we have this person with over 379 reviews who's saying that he can write an explainer video script that grabs attention. So let's take a look at his work. Okay, so far it sounds
want to
nice.
improve, to be better at our jobs.
Okay, so like it sounds nice, but of course we have to explore other options as well. So we have this person who specializes specifically in YouTube scripts. So we have this person, I will write high quality YouTube scripts on Elon Musk, Tesla, SpaceX, and tech. All right, and then we have this person who is charging 30,000 rupees, which is about $100 for a YouTube script. So let's take a look at his pricing and see what he's offering. So we have this person charging $100 for a 3-minute YouTube script. Then we have his a 10-minute plan, which is going to cost you $300. And then we have a 20-minute YouTube script, which is going to cost you $500. Now, of course, that is very expensive for someone who is an absolute beginner. So I wouldn't recommend. The maximum that you'll have to spend when you're starting out is at max $10 for a YouTube script. So over here we have this person charging $10 for a YouTube script, and over here you can see that he charges $10 for a basic YouTube script. Now over here people are expensive. I would recommend going on Upwork and looking for similar people, but what you can do is that you can simply click on budget, and then over here just simply click on max, and then simply type in $10 over here. So let's click on apply, and over here we have I will write engaging football scripts and edit football videos. I will write creative MMA UFC scripts. Okay, let's see how much he's charging. And yeah, over here you can see that this person is charging $15 for a 9-minute script, and then $10 for a 7-minute script. So again, like the options are definitely there. So now from over here, once you have finalized your person, then of course you have to just simply send them a message, and then once they respond, you can simply tell them that, hey, I want to start my channel. I'm looking for a long-term collaboration. Can you please give me a discount? And they will hopefully give you a discount as well. So now let's look for a video editor. So over here, let's take a look at the people, and of course the maximum budget is going to be at max 4,000 rupees, which is going to be about $15 for a whole video, because that's how much you'll have to get your video edited in the very beginning. Over here, let's take a look at all these options. Okay, so let me just change it up to top 10 cash cow videos. Let's take a look if we have the same options over here. And yeah, over here you can see that we have a person with over 84 reviews, and he's charging $10 for a 4-minute video. And of course, he's charging $25 or almost $28 for a 10-minute video, which is very reasonable. So $28 plus $15. Now your cost is at $43. So now from over here, we have to find a person who is going to be able to basically do the voiceover for us. And of course, the process is similar and very similar. So let me just type in voiceover over here. We're going to type in the budget, and the budget is going to be at max $10. And over here, we have a person that is going to be able to do a voiceover for us in that budget. So we have this person, which is Susan, and she's saying that I will provide an American female voiceover for $10. So you can basically explore and find the right voice for your channel. And then at the end, you need a person who is going to be able to make a thumbnail for you. And then as soon as you guys type in thumbnail over here, you can basically see that people are charging crazy amounts for thumbnails. So just simply type in over here 1500, which is about $5 for a thumbnail. So at the moment, there are no people selling it for that cheap. So let me just up the budget a bit to 1000, which is going to be roughly $6.5. And we have this person who has over 1000 reviews, and they are selling a logo for $5. Yeah, okay, you can definitely order thumbnails from these people, and they will create a really nice looking thumbnails. Over here you can see that like these thumbnails are absolutely incredible. Like honestly, like these are amazing thumbnails. So you can definitely order from these people and get exactly the type of thumbnails that you're looking for. And once you've done all of this, at the very end, all you need to do is simply enable these people to work in a team through tools like ClickUp, Asana, Trello. And then once you have your workflow set up, then your channel is going to run smoothly. Now, a few more things that you have to keep in mind. There is a thing known as a CPM. In the celebrity niche, the CPM isn't that high. In the search-based niche, the CPM is high because you're talking about softwares that people might pay for. In the top 10 niche, the CPM is also not very high. In the AI niche, the CPM is high, which basically means that you can make more money in the search-based and in the AI niche for the same amount of views than if you were to get those views in the celebrity or in the top 10 niche. You would make less money. So just simply do a Google search on YouTube before going into any niche to see what the CPM of that particular niche is, and you're gonna be good to go. So guys, that is how you guys can start a YouTube automation channel in 2023. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to smash that like button, subscribe, take care, till next time, goodbye.